inside your car. What's that? What's that?
Kagumi skirt.
Kagumi skirt. What's that?
Gummy.
Gummy. And that's enough?
I want my bike. I don't want trees.
What?
My card, my choice.
Okay. Teacher, ayan o, Richie. Ilang maliit? Yung maliit lang. Yan. Pangit yan. Huwag yung mabitsin.
May pre-quiz ay meron po.
Meron na po. Thank you. Doon sa kabila. Look at what Kagome stuff, guys. Oh, this is enough? Enough? I don't know. Best price. Ice cream is on sale, guys. Melon. 25. You like Obi? Oh. Melon. Wow. That's all? Alright.
Only four.
Four.
We have five. When we buy ice cream here, we get five. Now we get four. If we come here again, we get two.
Okay.
And two and one.
I think that's enough already.